one soldier. That very time I talk say they go back. I said no, but no season I go inside there, they go carry and bring them. I've listened to the word that happened that day.
Yes, sir.
Exactly. And I give those guns and I find one of them on a white man gun and see the Peter what talk for say, you know, person will look that person right no day. Una no bother too, una no say you come. And the gun don't be for una. But for others now, all una gun that don't see that for me. I don't do this. I want interpretation of enemy.
And we did not our head. The highest information our pastor out there na say if we are leaders whether you be leader for Sokadev, whether you be leader for which branch, may una join together, may all the conflict not be because this thing no happen now the whole ground zero where the leaders they disagree. Any man the one say may it be na authority, any man want say may it be na authority. If una want gain authority, may una come for year, may all we begin the fight with you now. We go give una the same audition. Una fee say una don't give him money, we go buy him. We go give una me all go so because they warn a population. Una the year was soldiers they die, no be na say they suppose to die. Now the pressure where it be mount on one soldier because of the limited population we will get them for go fight war. La Republic they send with 20 troops for can fight 20 people. Una think na how we go take survive the fight. So at one back, would the day for enough to unite ourselves? What are we doing for Sokadev? What are we doing for you there for ADF, me there for Sokadev? All we will be sounding Cameroonians.
That's it.
Would they here for a common goal? It's just like La Republic, they get there plenty battalion. Do one a gendarme, do one a army, do one a police, do one a that. All them they come up. They didn't for one goal. So at one.
If some test, if some honey, because if you look any man where they claim position, they need pay no soldier or they pay some soldier.
No.
If some honey no do some place, let people know for the claim that name, that power for be some level. I believe say if we all will take and say they need to pay we go join as one who fight this thing. But if you need one join the group talk about this group, now that for update they cause all the thing. Now they sit tell them for update say if they not adjust themselves, we will go lie low, we leave the country so. We get very simple way. We not so be on the risk. They love we because they on the risk of we leave them. We not they safe. We fight them. We not they safe. So we not get no safe side. We hide. We find we. We fight. We better self even defend ourselves. So we live all time with life like Makizadem. When they talk that Mami Bombo for update, me all them come out for update come for here. Well, on a ADF leader, on a Red Dragon, on a Sokadev leader, me they come out for update where they fight their position. They come for down here. We join for down here. We give that as my brother. The same Odeshi. We test them for them, me they go fight. Me they not so Odeshi the power Odeshi. If not been a God, the Republic game money if you take the best Odeshi of the world. But still yet we succeed them because of God. If they say and say we will not the bear risk, we not do nothing. The day on will bring confusion within us. Me they come all them they come meet we. Two the king for ground zero and then the cause them for put leaders, group, all for bring confusion. And the group that they enter inside plenty they gonna go thief. Now they make the now they sound like say me they not join with this man because the man we talk true. Sometimes they talk like that man agree for join me because if he come, I go spoil them a lie. Or if he come, I'll spoil them a true. Now some sweet day for some corner where they take them. If true no sweet, all will take one my own, no so they need pay no man. Because I never see no soldier who don't say beat some man, so they take 1,000. Now the highest thing that don't plan and no see them. And I've get travel here, me some man talk Sunday. So don't hold I never ever see them some place on soldier for Sokadev for the man. He talk say this so some power complain oh mommy, so they don't can access some money take them. Or sometimes they don't burn the house, sometimes they don't do this. But groups and never say they burn my house because of money don't ask you no day. They kidnap you. They do this. But I never see them. I just believe so I don't get me I see them. I don't know the all the two commanders them. For the group don't know. But I hear news I don't hear news then can never call me them because no give me no blank no give no blank me within us. No give no grievance. We can't do she don't all we together. For talk some of the things that were here. And we don't put all those things that will clarify ourselves. Well, I will know any of those things then. I think I believe it today. Plenty of them visit me, visit ourselves. I believe so, no quarry, and I didn't have come. We know they for here, we know hold gun for here, say some man, some come hold gun, we can't sit down calmly for talk. Now, just a few.